Hello there, you lovely people. Welcome again to another episode of Tom's Cooking. Well, let's get the show on the road. To start things off, what you'll need is rice, of course, and a pot with a lid. You're going to take 1 cup of the rice and dump it into the pot. The next thing you're going to do is take your pot with the rice and go fill it up with some water. Then after, you're going to take that water, swirl it around a bit until it becomes all white, and then dump that water out and put new water in. You're going to repeat this process around 3 times. All we're doing is just washing the rice until we see it's clear. Next, we'll place 1.5 cups of clean water into the pot. What I like to do during this process is swirl the water around until I get all the rice off of the walls of the pot. Please excuse me while I just clean this up here. During this time, please ensure that your stove or burner has been set to max or high. Once you see it begin to boil, lower the temperature down to a simmer, then carefully place the lid on top. Please recheck that you lowered the temperature, or else things will go wrong. It'll begin to foam up, but please wait until all the water is absorbed. When you believe that all the water is absorbed, pick up the pot using a rag and shake it back and forth. This allows you to see if any more water is still in the pot. Now that you see it's ready, place the lid back onto the pot and then right back onto the burner. Excuse me while I take care of this little string. Now, where were we? Yes, now turn off the heat, and I just noticed there's a twist tie on the table. It's been there the whole time. Next, you'll need eggs, cheese, salt, and pepper for ingredients. I do know that normally Tamago Kake Gohan is not made with cheese, salt, or pepper. Just, well, I'm American. What are you gonna do about it? Look at that rice. Did a really good job on that. Okay, enough about me. Let's get back to the recipe. So what you're gonna do is crack about 3 eggs into the pot. Now, let me just get situated here and crack a root and open. Usually what you want is equal amounts of rice to egg. So 1 cup of rice to 1 egg, depending on your preference on how much rice you actually made. Now I just need to take these eggshells and go dispose them into the trash. Excuse me while I go do that and wash my hands. Hey again! Long time no see. That took me about like 10 minutes. Okay, now what we're going to do is just take a scoop full of cheese and drop it right into the pot. Now the healthy thing would be just to do 1, but I'm not healthy, so I'm going to do 2. The healthiest thing would be to put no cheese in there at all. And now just a few little grinds of salt. And a little bit of pepper. You just want a little bit. Okay? Yes, just like I said before, it only takes just a little bit just to make it right. Finally, all we need to do is just stir this around. Usually it takes me around a minute, so I'm not gonna let you wait that long, so skip. Then once it's all well and mixed in, you may serve it in a bowl. And hey, look at that, we're all done. Please do make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to me. I'll be coming up with more video content in the future, so please keep on the lookout for that. In the meantime, I'll be enjoying this wonderful meal. Let me just get the chopsticks right, and here we go. And okay. Tastes tastes as usual. Okay, thank you. I'll be catching you guys later.